Ben Garcia has a lot of data for his Cornell Summer Research Institute project.
The data, there are probably about 70,000 data points that we're looking at.
He's working with Professor Marty Condon on a long-running research project that focuses on the evolutionary biology of flies, the flowers they live on, and their predators to better understand the diverse species from Central and South America.
We've collected very detailed data for all of our trips. Most of those data we haven't exploited yet. So he's giving me new insights and new look at the details that we've collected over the years.
Ben is learning computer coding to analyze the data, and he's asking questions that have never been asked before.
The questions that I'm asking have, for the most part, pretty much just been whatever I want to ask that day. So I started thinking about flower ages. Didn't find anything there. Went back in, sat in Marty's office and talked to her for a while, asked her, hey, what about this, what about this? She would say, you know, we haven't looked at that yet.
Professor Condon and her research team are the only people who have ever studied this biological system, so they're learning something new all the time.
Pretty much what I've been doing is taking kind of biological theorems about stuff that's going on in the system, and then thinking, okay, if this theory about why a fly might lay its egg on this plant is true, what would we expect the data to look like? And then going through and saying, is that what the data looks like?
From computer programming to developing research questions, Ben is learning valuable skills that will help him as he plans for the future.
I've been talking to a few people who are in grad school now in biochemistry and biology, and what they've pretty much said is it's a lot of coding. It's a lot of getting the data you have and analyzing it, and a lot of running models, running codes through. So I think that's going to be a huge skill to have, and a very marketable skill to have long run.
Well, it's really fun to see that Ben right away identifies that's an interesting question, and then he figures out which tools does he need to answer the question, and then he goes out and learns how to use the tools. You can't ask for anything better.
This is just one of many research projects for CSRI. For others, visit our website at cornellcollege.edu/research.